From the VM Innovation Lab, this is the new EasyCat multi-catch station for mice and insects. Ideal for audited accounts, warehouses, commercial, and residential use. The EasyCat features a low-profile deadfall design with ramps that mate with the base to create a smooth surface, leading mice and insects to the deadfall. With entries on both sides, the mouse can see through the station, allowing you to catch the mouse on the run. The guide wall prevents the rodent from going behind the station, leading it inside instead. Designed with durability and safety in mind, there are no sharp edges, so you won't snag gloves or cut your hands. There are no moving parts, so it's always working, and it's ideal for washdown areas. The EasyCat is 100% American-made, with robust plastic that makes it tougher than traditional multi-catch stations. The EasyCat is easy to open even when close to walls, thanks to a lid that opens from right to left. Plus, EasyCat helps your team save time with our push lock button, which enables quick and easy access. For added security, you can also take out the push lock and use an optional VM Products universal key. And it fits in a skid, bottom lead boards, front or back. The EasyCat uses standard multi-catch TC glue boards that are completely concealed and locked in place, so they won't fall out or get stuck to the lid. And also from the VM Innovations Lab, Airzonics monitor caps are designed to work seamlessly on the EasyCat lid to simplify monitoring. The flat surface area on top accommodates documentation labels, and there's a sequential barcode in every station to make software scanning simple and easy. There's an optional securing wall mount with double-sided foam tape and acrylic adhesive that's ideal for long-lasting installation and custom label solutions. The removable ramps allow 2 optional snap traps to be placed inside the station on retainer plugs, reducing accidental trips and allowing for easy cleanup or replacement. That's the EasyCat from VM Products. Proven, reliable, durable.